Come with us tonight as we take you to the old spaghetti factory in St. Louis, Missouri. This is a quite eclectic type place. It has murals and all kinds of things all over the wall. The aesthetics in this place is amazing. You can even eat on a tram if you want to.
We're at the old spaghetti factory here in St. Louis, Missouri. We ordered a couple of appetizers. We got the toasted beet ravioli. We also got the gorgonzola dip as an added bonus because when in Rome, you must have the wine. So we got a bottle of Chateau Ste. Michelle Riesling, and then we ordered the garlic,
I don't know how to pronounce it either.
Mizithra, with mushrooms on the side because I don't like mushrooms.
She even said it out loud to us, and I was still like, I don't understand.
This is where we're at, and it's coming up, so. Homemade ranch. 10 out of 10, recommend.
It's not bad. I would say it's good. It's not true southern ranch, but it's good.
So for this side of the Mississippi?
Not too snappy.
Fresh bread with butter. Dig in.
I don't have any to drink. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's so good.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. I'm not mad about the drinks anymore. It's really good.
It is really good. It is so fluffy. It's crazy.
I don't know what they do to it.
That bread is amazingly fluffy. Butter needs some salt.
Other than that, dip it in the ranch. Promise you won't regret it.
That's really good. I'm gonna put the butter and put a little salt on it. I think it's unsalted butter, maybe? I don't know.
I think so.
Add a little salt.
Hi, can I serve you some water, sir?
You was thirsty, eh?
Very. It's parched. Alright, here we have the toasted beet ravioli. This is supposed to be a St. Louis staple. We're going to give it a good try with the marinara sauce. Hot.
I would imagine so. They just hit the table.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's not terrible, but it's like spam inside. It's not beef.
So should we try it somewhere else after this that's actually known for it?
Yeah.
We thought we'd try out here to start off with.
We started. So it says a breaded blend of meat. Oh, a breaded blend of meat. Maybe I'm incorrect. It's not beef. Okay.
I thought it was supposed to be beef too.
That's my bad. And spinach, deep fried to a golden brown. Bless you. Sorry. Served with our homemade marinara sauce, sprinkled with Romana and
That
cheese.
special cheese that's from here.
Jesus Christ, I can't. How do you pronounce it? Mizithra? I'm never going to get it right.
Put it in the comments below if you know how to say it.
I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry.
Marinara is definitely bland. You get some of that seasoning on top, almost has a little bit of flavor, but this is not very good.
What does the meat taste like?
By itself without the marinara, much better. I don't know, it tastes like a pizza roll.
No, it ain't that good.
Yeah, like...
How dare you put down Tony's?
Tostinos.
Tostinos, whatever.
It's like a knockoff, worse version of that. I don't know, I don't like it either. There's not many things I'm gonna just feel like I don't like it, but this is one of those.
Still eating it though.
Food.
Sustenance.
Hungry, I've been traveling all day.
This is the Garlic Mizithra. Looks amazing. We asked for the mushrooms on the side because she does not eat mushrooms.
We still don't know how to pronounce it, but here we go.
It looks delicious.
Hopefully. It's cold.
Cold.
It's been sitting in the window for a
How's the
minute.
flavor though?
Delicious.
What's it taste like?
Garlic and cheese and butter.
Sounds pretty good.
Honestly, I would get this again.
But hopefully warm. So this is spaghetti with Mizithra cheese and brown butter, garlic, bacon, and mushrooms. Supposed to be mushrooms on the side, but I like it just the way it is. I agree with her. The spaghetti is actually probably not even al dente. Like it was undercooked a lot. The cheese is cold, the noodles are cold, the bacon is cold, the mushrooms are cold. Now, I don't know. This place ain't hitting on much at all.
We can hit it in the microwave, right?
Like it tastes really good. It just tastes like we cooked it 4 hours ago and then put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. I don't know how else to explain it.
Okay, so my review up here. So we got the toasted ravioli. The marinara had 0 flavor. It tastes like Spam inside the ravioli. Maybe because they're not known for that, so we'll try it somewhere else. They were out of the gorgonzola something dip saucy thing that we ordered. Whatever. We got this spaghetti. I don't know how to pronounce it. One more time. And
Mizithra.
Whatever he said. And it was cold. And the spaghetti noodles are not actually cooked. The cheese is not actually melted. The flavor is delicious. I 100% would get this again if it was fresh.